This is such a stylish Quezon City home. Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we're touring this stylish, brand new, modern 3-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. And join us as we begin this tour. Let's go! You have 3 levels for this property, and let's begin with the lower ground or basement level, where you have parking for up to 4 vehicles. You have a cool lighted ceiling design here, and you can fit 1 car here and then 3 cars all the way to the main gate. And the lighting is excellent, especially if you have, for example, a sports car or a beautiful SUV. This is a great place to highlight your vehicles as well. You also have an automated gate right here. And all around the property, you already have this wall design, giving a cool feel all around the house. You have this tiled space leading all the way to the back, and you have these stairs leading to the main entry. Let's go. Your main amenity level also serves as a balcony over the street. And here you have access towards the dining and living area. And here you have your main door. Let's go. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your elegant, open concept living space. You have a high ceiling area with such modern lighting. Now, in terms for the inclusions of this property, the sofa set and the dining table and the stools are not included. They're here for staging purposes. But of course, if you'd like to include them, you can put that in your offer for the property. So everything can be discussed. Now, what's noticeable here are the windows all the way to the 2nd level of the property. So this side of the house is facing east. So you have the morning sun here bathing the entire amenity area. What's nice is you already have these curtains for shade as well, but you still have that light going into the entire space. And now on this side, you have your dining area. Now currently, you have, for staging purposes, a table here for 8 people, but you can also have a rectangular table here as well. And then from your dining space, you have your modern kitchen. You have a large island countertop, which already has a built-in Elba wine chiller. I love the amount of space here. This makes this a great meal prep area and a breakfast nook as well, with space for 4 stools. And I love the lighting here. That's such a nice touch. In addition, you already have appliances such as an oven, a microwave, an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, and you also have a stainless steel sink here, plenty of ventilation. And You have such a great view of the entire amenity space from here. If you stand on this side, you can imagine having some friends and family over while you're prepping the food from this side. And then on this side, you have a nice additional display space. So you can actually open up this area and you have a screen here. So you can have ventilation for the entire space. And then you can open up the PVC sliding door towards the side. You have a nice tiled space right here where you can have a table and a couple of chairs as a nice extension of your main amenity space. And you can also access the back of the house here where you also have an elevated water tank as well. And on this side, here's a great touch for this property. This is such a pleasant looking pantry area where you can stock snacks and other dry goods here. Plenty of storage. And you also have your powder room on this side. You also have toilets which are already automated, so they open and close already automatically as well. And then on this side, you have your auxiliary space. So you can have a second small refrigerator here. There's another cooktop and range hood as well. So very well organized. And then this entire area is basically where you can have your laundry space. So you have a faucet there already, and you can potentially have this covered in the future. And this is also the area where you can hang clothes out of sight of your guests. And then you can walk all around the house from the other side as well. Another nice touch here is from the parking space, you can bring your groceries around here towards the back, immediately towards your auxiliary space. I love the warm light in terms of the color temperature given off by the lighting for the property, and also the rounded edges, which give a soothing feel as you walk through the spaces. Now let's head on down quickly so you can have an orientation of the access towards the parking area. The stairs are already carpeted, so that's a nice touch. And then on this side, you have two staff rooms. Now this one is a bathroom. It's a shared bathroom between the two staff rooms on this side. Okay? So I'm just giving you an orientation of the access. Now let's head on up. Now from this angle, you can appreciate how open the second level feels. The designers could have put a fourth bedroom here, but instead they came up with this design to maximize the morning light. In addition, there's no problem in terms of privacy because none of the internal areas of the bedrooms are exposed here. In addition, you also have the curtains for added privacy. If you want to have thicker curtains, that's another option as well after purchasing the home. Now, from this angle, you have this fantastic view of your living space. And here you have access towards the front balcony of the house here. Let's go. Now, here we are at your covered balcony at the top level of the home. And let me tell you, this has a great view of the mountains to the east. Let's head on in. And now, coming from the balcony space, we're back here in your hallway area, and let's take a look at your first bedroom. We have some decorative items here that are gonna get cleared out, but I'm gonna stand here so you can appreciate the size of the room. You already have a Panasonic split-type air conditioning unit, and check out the cabinetry. And you also have access towards your balcony from here. Another nice touch for this property is you already have CCTV cameras. You also have smart lights In addition, you also have a solar provision as well as a 5 kilowatt hour battery as well. And here you have your ensuite bathroom, which already has a lighted mirror and an automatic toilet as well. And here you have your shower enclosure, and a nice design touch, let me just say, is this rounded tempered glass barrier. So you still have that touch of the aesthetic from the ground floor, from the rounded archways. Another design aspect that I'd like to mention are the wall designs right here, which give an additional classic and elegant touch to this property. And right here, you have your second bedroom. You already have blackout curtains here. This can fit potentially a semi-double bed or even a double bed. And then you once again have your lighted cabinets. And then on this side, you have your ensuite bathroom. Once again with the lighted mirrors and the rounded tempered glass barrier and the automatic toilet as well. This is such a nice touch. I can't get over the thoughtfulness of the design. And now it's time to explore your primary bedroom. You already have this design for your headboard and built-in nightstands as well. And of course, this is where you can have your mattress. And this is where you have your entertainment console, where you can have your widescreen TV. You also have your blackout curtains here on the other side. And here, let's take a quick look at your master walk-in closet. Consistent with what you have in the other rooms, but of course much more spacious. And there's even a split type air conditioning unit here. And once again, the rounded archway leading towards your master bathroom with 2 faucets as well. And there's even a temperature reader at the faucet. So that is a great design in terms of seeing the exact temperature of the water that's flowing out. And that's also a great safety feature, by the way. Now let's head on back towards your main amenity level. To know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.